It was longer than a pickup truck, louder than a jet on takeoff, and flashier than Hollywood on Oscar night. Calling 1959 Cadillac Eldorado a car feels wrong. It was Detroit's idea of a throne on wheels. Only 1,320 Eldorado Biarritz convertibles were ever made. That's rarer than a Bugatti Veyron. Tail fins nearly 3 feet tall. A 345 horsepower V8 engine. Power everything. Windows, seats, even a trunk that opened with a button. It cost more than most houses back then. This car had so much chrome it could blind you in daylight. It looked like something designed for the future, but somehow rolled into the streets of the 50s. And today, collectors pay over $300,000 just to own one in mint condition. But this wasn't just a car, it was Cold War confidence on wheels. America's obsession with speed, space, and status packed into one wild machine. In this video, we're going deep into what made this car such a bold statement. We'll break down the outrageous design, the culture that created it, and why its legacy still roars today. Stick around. Iconic space age design and styling. The 1959 Cadillac Eldorado is one of the most iconic examples of space age design ever put on wheels. Every curve, line, and detail was created to turn heads and spark envy. Its most famous feature is the set of towering tail fins, which remain the tallest ever on a production car at about 42 inches high. These fins were not simply decorative, they were inspired by the rocket ships and missiles that dominated headlines during the space race. This design choice reflected a country that was focused on innovation and looking toward the future. At the rear, the dual bullet taillights continued this space-age theme. They looked like rocket exhaust nozzles. The front of the Eldorado was equally striking. A massive chrome grille spanned the entire width of the car, giving it a bold and confident face that was impossible to miss. The grille was designed to catch the light and show off the quality of the materials, paired with quad headlights, which resembled modern eyes watching the road ahead. Along the sides, a prominent C-shaped chrome trim wrapped from the front fender to the rear, accenting the car's remarkable length of over 18 feet. This trim was not just an added detail, it was meant to draw the eye along the body and emphasize the smooth lines and flowing shape of the car. Every part of the Eldorado's design was a statement. It was built to reflect the excitement and confidence of the late 1950s, a period when people truly believed technology and design could create a better, more impressive world. Elite Biarritz convertible rarity. While the design of the 1959 Cadillac Eldorado made it unforgettable, Cadillac built only about 1,320 of these in 1959, making them truly hard to find. Owning one was not just about having a luxury car, it meant joining a very exclusive group who wanted something extra special. The Biarritz sold for around $7,400 back then, almost double what a typical Cadillac cost. That kind of money in 1959 could buy you a decent house in many parts of the country. Cadillac made sure it was worth it by including features that were far ahead of their time. Buyers could get air conditioning, cruise control, and full power features, including windows, seats, and locks. One highlight was the Atronic Eye, an early automatic headlight dimmer that adjusted for oncoming traffic, showing off cutting-edge technology for the era. The Biarritz also offered EZ-Eye tinted glass to reduce glare, high-quality leather upholstery, and even optional bucket seats for added comfort. Being a convertible made it even more appealing. Driving with the top down was more than just getting from one place to another. It was a lifestyle choice, a way to enjoy the open road and show off a sense of style and freedom. If you are enjoying this look at automotive history, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you do not miss what is next. Powertrain and Performance Edge. Beyond its eye-catching style and rare convertible version, the 1959 Cadillac Eldorado had the kind of power that really mattered to drivers who wanted more than just looks. Think about starting up that big 390 cubic inch V8 engine and hearing a deep, confident rumble that told you this car meant business. It was not just noise, it was the promise of strength you could feel every time you pressed the pedal. It had triple 2-barrel carburetors, a real bragging point back then, giving it more fuel and air for extra punch. This setup delivered around 345 horsepower and about 590 Newton-meters of torque, which is pretty impressive for a car that weighed over 5,000 pounds. Despite its huge size, it could go from 0 to 60 in just over 10 seconds. Cadillac also made sure driving it felt smooth and effortless. The Hydra-Matic automatic transmission shifted without any fuss, giving drivers a relaxing ride without sacrificing performance. People did not have to think about the gears or worry about jolts between shifts. It was just smooth, classic Cadillac comfort. This was not just about having numbers to show off. It was about giving owners the feeling that they were in control of something powerful, yet easy to handle. It is easy to see why even today, people remember not just how the Eldorado looked, but how it felt to drive, combining serious muscle with the luxury Cadillac promised. Luxury, comfort, and package. Power was just one part of the Eldorado experience. Cadillac did not stop at making it fast. They wanted every driver and passenger to feel special, like they were getting something few others could. Everything inside the 1959 Eldorado was designed for real comfort and style. These were not just extra features. They were standard Cadillac indulgence, meant to spoil you a little every time you got in. Think about having power steering, power brakes, power windows, power seats, and power door locks in 1959. These were features that most cars did not even offer. For the Biarritz Convertible, there was even an automatic power top that folded away with the push of a button. It came with a sleek metal parade boot to cover it up, so it looked just as polished with the top down as it did with the top up. Cadillac paid attention to the little touches too. Vanity mirrors were built right into the visors so passengers could check their look. The optional stainless steel roof added an extra layer of shine that really stood out in the sun. Stepping inside, the cabin felt more like a rolling lounge than a car. There was real chrome trim, wood accents, and soft leather seats, all finished in elegant, two-tone color schemes. It was not just about driving. It was about the feeling you got sitting there, surrounded by style and comfort. Cadillac wanted every ride to feel like something special, almost like relaxing in an Art Deco living room on wheels. It was their way of making sure anyone who chose an Eldorado felt like they had arrived. Historical and cultural context. All of this luxury and style was not just about personal comfort. It was also a reflection of the time in which the 1959 Cadillac Eldorado was built. This car was a symbol of post-World War II American confidence. When the country was booming and people believed the future held endless possibilities, the Eldorado captured that spirit perfectly, showing off a sense of success and ambition that was hard to ignore. Its design cues were straight from the jet age and the early days of the space race. Those giant tail fins, bullet-shaped tail lights, and jet-inspired bumper guards were not accidents. They spoke to America's fascination with rockets, aviation, and the idea of pushing technology further than ever before. People looked up at the sky and imagined a new era, and Cadillac put that dream on four wheels. Even the name Eldorado carried meaning. It referred to the legendary city of gold, promising ultimate luxury and wealth. Owning an Eldorado was a way to tell the world you had arrived, that you wanted the very best and were not afraid to show it. This car managed to be both optimistic and a little bit arrogant at the same time. It was a promise of a better tomorrow wrapped in chrome and fins. When you see it today, you can still feel that boldness and hope for the future, reminding us of a time when Americans truly believed anything was possible. Legacy, collectibility, and market value. Today, the legacy of the 1959 Cadillac Eldorado is stronger than ever, especially among collectors who know just how special these cars are. A top-condition Eldorado Biarritz convertible can sell for extraordinary sums. Recent auctions have seen prices reach over $400,000, with some topping $415,000 for fully restored Concours quality examples. That is a massive leap from its original price of about $7,400 in 1959, showing just how much value it has gained over the years. In the last decade alone, prices have surged significantly. Values for excellent condition Biarritz models now average around $278,000, while even the hardtop Seville versions have climbed close to $100,000. This growth shows that these cars are not just old classics. They have become investment-grade collectibles that continue to appreciate as fewer high-quality examples remain. What is even more interesting is who is buying them. It is not just older collectors anymore. Gen X and even millennials have shown real interest in the 1959 Eldorado, drawn to its unique design, historical significance, and unmistakable presence. Features like optional bucket seats, original interiors, and correct restorations make a big difference in value, with buyers willing to pay a premium for authenticity and quality. Owning a 1959 Eldorado today is about more than just having a beautiful car. It is owning a piece of history, a symbol of American ambition and style that still speaks to people decades later. If you enjoyed learning about this incredible car, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you never miss out on our deep dives into automotive history. And if you're wondering what the Eldorado could look like in 2025, stick around. You're about to find out.